Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove contact photos from iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the phone app, click on contact. Then if this is what you have, go ahead and click on all contacts. Click on my card. Click on edit at top right. Click on edit on the contact photo. Then scroll down to where you see memoji, monogram, emoji, and then choose your contact photo to remove the real contact photo. Go ahead and click on the check mark at top right. Then select your contact poster. Now hang on, click on check mark again. Then you should see your contact photo removed. You see that? So that's exactly how to remove contact photos from iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.